So guys, how to copy properties from one object to another object? It's really simple. On the timeline, let's bring another image. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the clip. Suppose your clip is around here, then the playhead should be here at the first frame of our clip. Now how to copy properties? Suppose you want to copy the size of this image for this one. So select that image layer, right click, copy keyframes, then the scale. Go up, select the cat layer, right click, paste. Click into another layer. See, our new image have the same size as this one. Let's copy the position and rotation from this one. For that, select the layer, right click, copy, keyframes, rotation, select the upper layer, right click, paste. Again select the back layer, right click, copy, keyframe, location, same. See, now our new image have the same rotation and the position of the second image. So guys, that's how easily we can copy the properties from one object to another object in OpenShot. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.